Okay, we are going to make part of DNA with this model kit. So you need 3 nitrogens, 6 double bonds, 1 oxygen, 5 nitrogens, and 4 carbons. Go ahead and obtain those. Pause this video. Let's get started. All right, let's go ahead and start with 1 nitrogen. Bond that with a carbon here, nitrogen, like so. So make that inner circle. Okay, so now what we're going to need to do is we need to put some double bonds in this molecule. So I am going to get my first set of 2 double bonds, and I'm going to go to my second nitrogen right there, and I need to double bond it with that carbon right there. So I orient these. It's kind of tricky, and it's going to take some finagling. Okay, that looks good. Like that. Then I have that bond right there is good, and then I need to double bond this carbon to the other carbon. Okay, so now once I have my double bonds in like this, I need to find a way to close them in on each other. Perfect, just like that. So kind of move it around so you have that double bond, and they close nicely on a circle. Okay. All right, so this is our 12 o'clock. Let's go to this carbon right there, and let's double bond an oxygen to it. This is going to seem easy compared to what we just did, like so. All right, then you go to this carbon right here, directly across from your 12 o'clock nitrogen. Put your third nitrogen there. And now it's as easy as just putting in your hydrogen. So you need a hydrogen up here. Okay, I need one right here, right here, right here, and right here. Okay, the trickiest part of this molecule was were those double bonds in that inner circle.